guys, I'm here at Alton Towers today, checking out the fireworks. Really excited to get back here. It's my first time doing the fireworks. Also going to get my last few rides on Nemesis for a whole year, because that's going to be closed for the re-track. And then going on over to, so we're going over to the Dark Forest, going to ride Rita 13, maybe a cheeky hex ride. So I'll catch up with you after the Dark Forest. You join us after Hex 13 Rita. Rita's riding quite. We did Gangster Gunning Volumes all as well. Flavio's Fabulous Fandango. Good time. Rita's still good. It's just not Taran. 13's good. Hex is still probably the best themed thing here. I like 13. I like Hex a lot. Gonna do the sky ride over to Forbidden Valley and get some ride on Nemesis. Join us after lunch. We didn't go to Nemesis in the end. We didn't let it warm up. So we're going went for lunch at Pete's Pasta. Still probably the best place to eat on Park. Yeah, it's nice. A bit like a Pete's Hut. Then we've done Runaway Mine Train and the River Rapids. The rapids are a bit nah. Yeah, didn't get wet at all. Got to make our way over to Wicker Man, which I quite like this one, so hopefully it's had a bit of time to warm up. So catch you after Wicker Man. Join us after Wicker Man. Wicker Man is a really good coaster. That was a really good ride. Good managed to get towards the back on that one. Got a row 11. It's pretty good. So one of the better ones I think we've got in the UK. Going over to do Spinball now and X Sector. So we'll catch up after X Sector. I've just finished up in X Sector. We did Spinball was it before then. Spinball's a cracking coaster, I love that one. It's interesting riding it after I did Windrush from Tarzan, but it's still, yeah. I love to take it over, you know. It's very good. Just the next sector as well. So Oblivion is still terrifying. It's one of the only rides that gives me genuine fear. And then we did Smiler as well, and Smiler is still good. We like Smiler. Still like Smiler's still in the top 10 for me, I think. But yeah, gonna head over to Towers Trading Company and maybe make our way over to Nemesis, but we'll catch up off to Towers Trading and see what new stuff they got in there. Just had a quick look around Towers Trading. There's not a lot there now, to be honest. Right, I can't really see much of the fireworks stuff. The hat's nice though, I will say that. And there's a plain black t-shirt with like white lapel, not lapel, stitched at the end. It's quite nice. But nothing really grabbed me. I couldn't find the pin badges. I really want the pin badges. Heading over to Nemesis and Galactica now, so we'll catch you after those two. From Forbidden Valley, where we rode Galactica. Galactica's still the coaster for me. Get a really nice bit of pops of airtime on that one. And then got the last ride, I think, for me, so not go back down there later today, on Nemesis. Amazing coaster as always, one of my former #1 of course, and probably still my #1 coaster in the UK. It's a cracking ride, that one. It's going to be very exciting to see what the Phalanx do and Alton Towers do when it comes back to the new track in 2024. And now we're finally here, waiting for the fireworks to go ahead. I'm going to take some photos, so in the next couple of shots there might be still images of photos and little bits of the fireworks display. Hopefully it starts a bit in the rain, keeps off, but we'll keep you posted and show you some of the amazing fireworks here at Alton Towers. Fireworks, amazing. I mean, personally for me, that has been the best ones I've ever seen. Yeah, best display I've seen. The stuff with like the smiler, all the little like video and how like light, just how it worked. The drone bit at the beginning was amazing. Like I've never seen anything like that before in my life. So that was really, really cool. If you've not done Alton Towers fireworks, nice. I definitely recommend coming just for that alone because it was just incredible. We're planning to do a couple of coasters before home. I think we're going to do Nemesis one more time, maybe Wicker Man. So stay tuned to see what we do, and then I'll catch you a bit right before we go home. So catch you a bit. That's everything for the day here at Alton Towers. Had a really good day. The last ride in Nemesis was good. The Smiler's still fantastic. But that's the end of the season here. Like, the fireworks are amazing. And finished on Big Bob behind, Wicker Man. That's it for the season here at Alton Towers. It's got a few events on through the winter, Lightopia and stuff like that, so might come check those out. But yeah, that's the season. It's been a good year. Let me know if you've managed to visit, and what you think, post us in the comments below. And thank you very much for watching. If you did like the video, please hit like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. See you later.